As we know, Malaysia is situated on the equator and near the South China Sea. These two factors contribute to uncertain weather conditions, whether it be hot and humid conditions or heavy rainstorm during monsoon season.
This issue could potentially cause health problems that could be fatal. Heating and cooling units readily available on the market can be used to solve this problem. However, these units are often too expensive to be maintained by average citizens.
For the solution, our means is to use a device to control the air temperature and utilizing fans for the spread of lower or higher temperature air to either cool down or warm up surrounding temperature. This is quite similar to traditional air conditioning and heating unit, but with a much more affordable approach.
So now, for the sketch of our product. This is some of the materials used and more details will be shown in Budgets and Components part. Its main component is a peltier. Peltier works by applying voltage across joint conductors to create an electric current. When the current flows through the junctions of the two conductors, heat energy is removed at one junction and cooling occurs, while the energy being deposited at the other junction creates heat. The peltier can interchange its cold and hot side by switching its terminal polarity. We can just attach a switch to do this. In addition, we add a heat sink to increase our peltier efficiency. Then, we can attach our product to fan frames by using a makeshift clip made from recycled metal wire. Or, if the fan frames were made of magnetic metals, we can also stick it to the frames using a magnet. Last but not least, the humidifier module turns the cool or warm water to mist to easily be spread by fans to change surrounding temperature.
Here are the list of components used in our product. As you can see, there are certain materials that do not have a price, such as the nets and the water container. This is because these items are either self-made or easily recycled. Other than those components, the first and most important part is the peltier, costing around 11 ringgit. Next, the battery holder, coming around at 1 ringgit and 60 cents, used to store the AA batteries, which cost 3 ringgit. After that, the humidifier module comes around at 5 ringgit and 30 cents. Lastly, other wires to connect these components, costing around 2 ringgit, totaling the price to 23 ringgit.